I woke up craving sopes, so that's what I'm making today, some delicious sopes de asada. For this recipe, I'm using 2 pounds of boneless chuck meat. I'm gonna season with carne asada seasoning and black pepper. Make sure to coat it well. My pan is set to medium heat with some oil and we start cooking. It's been 25 minutes and the meat is ready. This is how I like it. I like to get my meat nice and brown. For the salsa, I set my saucepan on medium heat with boiling water and I'm gonna add 1 serrano pepper, 1 jalapeño, 2 garlic cloves, and 13 tomatillos. Boil until the tomatillos change color. It's been 5 minutes, the tomatillos are ready and I'm gonna take them out. After 2 minutes, everything is ready and we transfer to the blender. I'm also gonna add half a cup of the water, a small bunch of cilantro, half an avocado, and salt to taste. We blend. And this is the consistency I like for my sopes. If you want a creamier salsa, just add the whole avocado. For the sopes, I'm gonna add 2 cups of masa to my mixing bowl. I'm using maseca, along with 1 3/4 cups of warm water. Mix until everything is well combined. Once it looks like this, it's ready and we can start making the sopes. For that, I'll be using my tortilla press. And I grab some masa, about this much. I like to use a Ziploc bag because for me, it's more convenient. When you press, make sure not to press too hard because you want them to be slightly thick, just like this. On a skillet set to medium heat, we're gonna cook them for about 2 minutes per side. These are ready. I'm gonna take them out and we continue doing the same for the rest. Once they're not too hot, this is how I normally do this part. I just pinch them on the sides all around and then right in the middle like this. And this is how it looks. And now we fry them in some oil for about a minute per side or until golden. I'm gonna be doing one by one since my pan is small. This is ready. I remove it and we do the same for the rest. Now we can start assembling. First, I like to add some refried beans. I already have a video for these on my page, so check it out. Next, we add the meat. You can add as much as you like. Some lettuce, or you can add cabbage if you prefer. Crema Mexicana, and the salsa we just made. Queso, cotija, pickled red onions, and they're ready to enjoy. These are super delicious. With this amount of ingredients, I was able to make 10 sopes. All right, guys, so now for the moment of truth. Cheers! Oh my God, these are so delicious. The sope is crunchy. The beans are perfect. If you've never had these, you must try them. And just so you guys know, I have another recipe of sopes with papas and chorizo, so check it out. And there you have it, delicious sopes de carne asada. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.